In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a guest from a Google Calendar event. We've all been there where a guest needs to be removed, perhaps due to scheduling conflicts or changes in the meeting participants. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you're able to adjust your calendar with ease and precision. To start, open your browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. It's essential that you're logged into the correct Google account, ensuring full access to the events you're managing. Once your calendar is open, scan through your events to find the specific one you'd like to edit. Click to open this event. This action will display all the minute details of your meeting, giving you complete control over the participants, timing, and other aspects. When the event details pane opens, look for the pencil or edit icon located near the top. Clicking this icon takes you into edit mode. In edit mode, a wide array of options is at your disposal. Here, you can manage everything from the event title to the guest list. Now focus your attention on the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a section labeled Guests. This area contains the list of all attendees who have been invited to the event. To proceed with removing a guest, hover over their name. As you do this, notice a small X icon appears next to their name. Clicking this X will remove the person from the attendee list. It's a simple gesture, yet immensely powerful in managing your event participants effectively. After making this change, it's crucial to save your updated event. Locate the Save button, typically found at the top right corner of the screen, and click it. This action ensures that any modifications you've made are securely saved within your calendar. Following the save action, Google prompts you with a crucial decision. Whether to send an update to the guests about this change, you'll be presented with options to send the update or don't send. Choosing send will notify the individual that they have been removed from the event, ensuring that they have full awareness of this change. Opting for don't send, however, keeps this action discreet, without any notification to the removed guest. That covers the process of how to remove a guest from a Google Calendar event. It's straightforward, yet a handy skill, especially when managing shared calendars or recurring meetings. Practice these steps to manage your schedules effortlessly. And remember, keeping your calendar tidy and up to date ensures both you and your attendees are always on the same page. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, empowering you to become a Google Calendar Pro.